Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening settings so you can locate keyboard options. Press the Windows key or click Start, then type Settings and press Enter. Once Settings opens, navigate to Devices. This is where Windows groups input hardware. Make sure your keyboard is connected if it's external, otherwise proceed with built-in keyboard checks. If you prefer keyboard-only flow, use Windows plus I, then Tab and arrow keys to reach devices. This sets up the environment for the next configuration steps. Once in Devices, click Typing or choose Keyboard in the left column. Windows sometimes nests these names, so scan both. You'll see settings like Repeat Delay and Touch Keyboard options. Adjust them to fix responsiveness. If you're using an external keyboard, open Bluetooth and other devices to verify it's listed and paired. Click the device to troubleshoot pairing. Make sure drivers are current by opening Device Manager from the Start menu and expanding keyboards to inspect device status. To finish, update or reinstall drivers in Device Manager. Right-click your keyboard entry and choose Update Driver or uninstall, then reboot. If keys still fail, enable the on-screen keyboard under Ease of Access so you can type while fixing hardware. Make sure to restart Windows after driver changes so settings apply. If problems persist, test the keyboard on another PC to isolate hardware versus software. This helps you decide whether to replace the keyboard or continue deeper Windows troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.